What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be installing the Banks airflow sensor adapter, right? Comes with the O-ring, comes with the screw, right? That has a Torx, comes with the wrench. So we're going to go ahead and swap this out. You'll need 10mm. I'll show you guys right where it's at. It's right, that piece right there. You need a 10mm to take the bolt out. So this, and we'll clean it up. This will help with the sensor getting built up with soot. It'll supposed to help with a fuel economy. Make sure your air fuel ratio is good to go. So we'll go ahead and swap that out, and I'll go get the 10 and we'll get that done. Alright, so go ahead and climb up on top of this truck. So first thing you want to do is a little gray clip, and I'll push that back, and then you end up wiggling this out. Oh, I got zip ties that just snapped, literally just snapped. All right. Apparently, this one doesn't have that. Great clip. So it's just a clip. Just move that out the way. Alright, so go ahead and do that. Now, the video online said it would have a gray lock tip, which it doesn't. So this is the sensor here. You don't drop this 10mm. Alright, so you will be using that screw to mount it into the factory one. So what we do is just wiggle, 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 and it should come up. Alright, because this has like a little rubber grommet. There it goes. I don't know if you guys can see that is dirty. Alright. We're going to use this mass airflow sensor. Any of this gook gets around the intake manifold when you're taking this out, just make sure it doesn't fall back in the hole. Alright, so we'll use some air mass sensor cleaner. Do not use brake cleaner, as they said. Here, let me show you guys. Alright, get into focus. Yeah, that's dirty. So what we're going to use is put this on the ground. I'm going to use this one right here, mass airflow sensor cleaner. All right, we'll wash that off and then we'll get it reinstalled. Alright, so go ahead and make sure you guys can see this. Yeah. Cover up, you don't want anything, fluid or anything getting the connector. So it's gook and all that dirt just falls right off. So just clean that all up. Be careful you don't touch the sensor part and bend it, anything like that. Alright. works. See if you guys can pick that up. Looks way cleaner. Look at that. All right. So what I'm gonna do is take this back up top. All right. So what we're gonna do is take the spacer. All right. You guys are gonna go ahead and put this in here, and then with the, give it a good snug push. Then with the factory bolt, the 10 mil, you go ahead and screw that in. All right. Give that a nice little snug. Alright, now again, make sure you, that's how it should look. Make sure you got this, the spacer that Banks provides. That's how it'll look. Okay, so this will go in like this with the Torx screw that they provide. Will go here, and this is how you tighten it into the tube up there. So we'll do one thing at a time. Alright. Should fit nice and flush. Get that spacer in there. Alright. That bad boy sitting flush when you're tightening it all up. Alright, and then just plug it back in. That's it. That's it now. Your mass air sensor should stay clean. Alright. Took about maybe 10 minutes or something like that. Won't get clogged up, and they say you should see, I don't know how big of a difference, but improvement on your air fuel if you monitor that, or your MPGs, things like that. So I don't know how much of a huge difference it'll make, but if it keeps sensors clean, why not, right? 70 bucks. Super simple to install. But yeah, guys, if you got any questions, let me know.